coffee notes, aroma songs. The story begins. Armed with the double German glass, strong and ready to face high temperatures, the carafe is embraced by the stainless steel frame. The perfect coffee blend, strong enough to wake you up, yet smooth enough to spoil you, now rests in your cup. This may just be the only French press on the market to have a fully encapsulated stainless steel lid. Aroma is just around the corner. No more coffee grounds in your cup, all thanks to the 4-level filtration system. Discover a rainbow of flavors hidden in tea leaves and coffee beans. The structure disc keeps all grounds in one place, releasing essential oils and flavor. Enjoying a grounds-free aroma-filled coffee with your loved one will always improve your mood. Elegantly sitting on your cup, the uniquely designed spoon is the ideal detail to a flavored experience. Spoil your taste buds with a perfectly balanced coffee thanks to the BPA-free measuring spoon. Learn the art of coffee making. The instruction book is ready to tell the story. It might be small in size, but the coffee book is rich in flavors. Your very own ticket to Aromaland. Your friend for this adventure, the French press, is waiting to be tested. Who would you buy it for?
Enjoy a perfectly brewed cup of coffee with a Café du Chateau French press. Unlike other cheap presses, this French press uses a 4-level filtration system to give you the purest possible flavor without unwanted grounds or muddiness. The base, lid, and handle are made of 304 grade stainless steel for a resilient shine and rust-free finish. Plus, the removable carafe is made from heavy, tempered borosilicate glass that withstands boiling water. Brew like a barista with the Café du Chateau French press.
Hi there, my name is Ashley. Today I want to introduce you to Bodum's Brazil French Press Coffee Maker. This fun press is sure to add a splash of color to your morning routine. It features a borosilicate glass carafe, 3-part stainless steel filter system, and durable plastic frame. Comes in several colors, some of which you see here, as well as 2 sizes, an 8-cup and a 3-cup. If you've never brewed French press coffee before, it's a 4-step process, very simple. Coffee, water, press, enjoy. This environmentally friendly alternative to your traditional drip coffee maker produces very minimal waste because you're not using paper filters. As we like to say, make taste, not waste. Now allow me to walk you through the brewing process. First, pour your coarsely ground coffee grinds into the carafe. Next, add your hot water that is just drop below boiling point. Give it a quick stir with a wooden spoon. Place the lid on and allow it to brew for 3 to 4 minutes based on your brewing preference. Press, pour, and enjoy.